In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Higgsfield subscription. If you no longer need your current plan, the cancellation process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside your account so you can complete it smoothly and avoid missing any of the confirmation steps. To get started, go to the Higgsfield AI website and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account that has the active subscription. If you have more than one account, it's a good idea to double check before making any changes. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can access your settings and billing related options. From that menu, select Manage Account. This will take you into the main account area where your personal settings, plan information, and subscription controls are located. After that, open the Subscription tab. This is the section where you'll find details about your current plan and the options available for managing it. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds so everything appears properly. Inside the subscription area, click Manage Subscription. This usually opens the billing management page where subscription changes, including cancellation, can be made. Next, scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you find the section labeled Danger Zone. Because this area contains more permanent account and billing actions, it's often placed lower on the page and may be minimized by default. If the Danger Zone section is collapsed, expand it so you can see the available options. Then click Cancel Subscription. At that point, Higgsfield will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts. Read each message carefully, since some platforms may show details, like your renewal date, your remaining access period, or a final confirmation screen before the cancellation is completed. Continue through the prompts and confirm the cancellation when asked. After you finish, it's a good idea to look for a confirmation message on the screen so you know the request went through successfully. If available, you may also want to check whether your subscription status now shows as canceled or ending at the close of the current billing period. And that's it. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, your Higgsfield subscription will be set to end according to the terms shown in your account.